Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the skies like a VIP in a luxurious private jet? Well, get ready to be amazed by a true marvel of aviation engineering and opulence. With a $317 million price tag, this flying masterpiece is the epitome of sophistication and comfort. Setting new standards for long-range performance and cutting-edge technology, this jet takes private aviation to unparalleled heights. From its customizable interior to its powerful engines, this jet is designed to cater to the most discerning travelers. So buckle up and prepare for an exclusive tour of the ACJ350 XWB, where luxury and innovation come together to redefine the art of flying. Cabin. As we step inside the cabin, the first thing that'll catch your eye is the sheer spaciousness. This jet is designed to offer maximum room for relaxation and socializing, making those long-haul flights an absolute pleasure. With a cabin width of around 19.6 feet, you'll have plenty of elbow room to stretch out and enjoy the journey. Now, one of the most remarkable aspects of the cabin is its customization options. The interior can be tailored to your heart's desire. From the layout and seating configuration to the materials and color schemes, you have the freedom to create a cabin that truly reflects your personal style and preferences. It's like designing your own flying sanctuary. Moving on to the seating, you'll find sumptuous first-class reclining chairs that are the epitome of comfort. These aren't your average airplane seats though. They're carefully crafted to provide optimal support and relaxation during those long flights. Plus, you can choose between individual seats or cozy divan-style arrangements for a more social atmosphere. But the luxury doesn't stop at the seating. The XWB cabin is adorned with the finest materials and finishes, giving it a 5-star hotel vibe. Think soft leather, elegant woodwork, and plush carpets underfoot. Every inch of the cabin exudes sophistication and class, making you feel like you're traveling in the lap of luxury. And let's talk about entertainment. This jet pulls out all the stops to keep you entertained during your flight. State-of-the-art entertainment systems with high-definition screens are at your fingertips, offering a vast array of movies, TV shows, and music to enjoy. And with high-speed internet connectivity, you can stay connected to the world and catch up on work or social media while you're up in the air. Now, if you're a foodie, you're in for a real treat. The galley is fully equipped to cater to your culinary desires. Whether you're craving a gourmet 3-course meal or a simple snack, the dining experience on this jet is nothing short of extraordinary. And let's not forget about the creature comforts. The cabin is equipped with advanced climate control systems, ensuring that you always travel in optimal comfort, no matter the weather outside. Plus, the cabin is pressurized to a lower altitude, reducing fatigue and making those long journeys a breeze. But here's one of the best features: the privacy and quietude. The ACJ350 XWB comes with soundproofing and customizable dividers, allowing you to create private spaces within the cabin. So if you need to catch some shut-eye or have a confidential conversation, you can do so without any disturbances. Cockpit. The cockpit of the ACJ350 XWB is a marvel of ergonomic design and user-friendliness. Everything is laid out with the pilot's comfort and convenience in mind. The instrument panel is well organized, and all the controls are within easy reach, allowing the pilots to focus on flying without any distractions. Now, one of the standout features of this jet's cockpit is its advanced avionics suite. This jet is equipped with the latest fly-by-wire technology, which means that the traditional mechanical controls are replaced by electronic ones. This not only reduces the weight of the aircraft, but also provides the pilots with precise and effortless control over the aircraft's movements. The cockpit is fitted with state-of-the-art flight management systems, including the latest navigation and communication equipment. Multiple redundant systems ensure that the pilots always have access to critical information and are prepared for any situation that may arise during the flight. Speaking of critical information, the cockpit is equipped with large, high-resolution displays that provide real-time data on various flight parameters. From airspeed and altitude to engine performance and fuel levels, the pilots have all the crucial information at their fingertips. This not only enhances situational awareness, but also allows for quicker decision-making. Moving on to flight controls. This aircraft features a side-stick control system, similar to what you find in advanced fighter jets. This control system offers a more intuitive and direct connection between the pilot's inputs and the aircraft's response. It gives the pilots a sense of being one with the aircraft, making flying a truly exhilarating experience. One of the things that set the ACJ350 XWB apart is its fly-by-wire protections. These intelligent systems monitor the aircraft's flight parameters and prevent it from exceeding safe operating limits. They also provide envelope protection, ensuring that the aircraft stays within its safe flight envelope, even in challenging weather conditions. And here's the best part. The cockpit is designed to be future-proof. It's upgradable and adaptable to incorporate the latest advancements in aviation technology. So, as new innovations emerge, the XWB can be equipped with the latest and greatest features, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of aviation excellence for years to come. Before we move on to the amazing engines of this jet, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on the latest and greatest in the world of luxury. Engine and performance. The ACJ350 XWB is powered by two Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, and they're a force to be reckoned with. These high-bypass turbofan engines are designed for maximum efficiency and performance, providing the jet with the thrust it needs to take off and reach those incredible cruising speeds. Let's talk numbers. The Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines produce around 97,000 pounds of thrust each. That's some serious power. With that kind of force under its wings, this private jet can accelerate swiftly down the runway and take to the skies in no time. Coming to performance, the ACJ350 is built to be a long-range performer, and it definitely lives up to that reputation. It boasts an impressive range of over 7,500 miles, so whether you're planning a transcontinental journey or a non-stop intercontinental flight, this jet has got you covered. And when it comes to cruising speeds, it doesn't disappoint. It can reach a maximum cruising speed of approximately 685 miles per hour. Flying at such high speeds, you can cover vast distances in a fraction of the time it would take on commercial flights. This jet is not only fast, but also fuel efficient. Thanks to its advanced aerodynamics and efficient engines, this jet can fly farther while consuming less fuel compared to many other private jets in its class. It's all about getting you to your destination quickly and efficiently, all while minimizing environmental impact. And speaking of efficiency, it comes equipped with advanced winglets that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. These winglets also enhance stability and control during flight, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey for everyone on board. The XWB can cruise at altitudes of up to 43,100 feet. Flying at such high altitudes offers several advantages, including smoother air and reduced fuel consumption. Plus, it allows the jet to avoid most adverse weather conditions, ensuring a safe and pleasant flight experience. So whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, this aircraft will take you to your destination in style and comfort. Cost. The cost of the ACJ XWB private jet is undoubtedly a significant consideration for those interested in owning this marvel of aviation. Now let's be real, this jet is not for the faint of heart when it comes to budget. The price tag for this jet is a hefty $317 million, depending on the customizations and options chosen. Of course, that's just the starting point. The final cost can go even higher if the owner decides to add more luxurious features or unique design elements to make the jet truly their own. Remember, customization is a big part of the appeal of this jet, and that level of personalization can add to the overall cost. But hey, let's put things into perspective. Owning a private jet, especially one as advanced and luxurious as the ACJ350, is a significant investment. It's not just about the initial purchase cost. There are ongoing expenses to consider as well. Maintenance, fuel, crew salaries, insurance. These costs can add up quickly. However, for those who can afford it, this jet is the epitome of luxury and comfort in the world of private aviation. It offers unparalleled performance, opulent interiors, and state-of-the-art technology, making every flight a truly memorable experience. If you want to know more about such amazing jets, click here to see inside the $400 million Boeing BBJ 777-8 private jet. See you there in a second.